Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G22 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Backup option, which should be on the 4th position, and simply tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, so we can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, and after tapping on next your device will simply autofill it. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's simply tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. So before the agreement, I highly recommend to simply tap on it and check the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of backup info. So here we can check that we are able to use 15 GB of the account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. What's more, the backup will appear automatically. Your device will store the data securely, maybe not your device, but the Google account, and you will be able to manage your backup easily whenever you want to. So basically, all you have to do is to simply tap on Turn On. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the section with the backup, let's say settings options. So here you can check how much space you've got used. You can manage the storage here, of course. Under it you've got some backup details, so what kind of data is backed up and from which apps. And under it you've got some advanced settings, so you can turn on or off the option to backup the data using mobile or metered Wi-Fi. And I highly recommend to simply keep it turned off because they may charge you for using it. So basically all you have to do here is to tap on Backup now, and as you can see we've got the info. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your MOTOROLA Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.